Hello guys, in order to create an Android or iOS application using Flutter, we need to learn Dart. Dart is a new programming language which was created by the Google. The recent version of the Dart is Dart 2. Previously we used to have Dart 1, 1x and now it's time to Dart 2. Okay, we are going to take a small route on this Dart in next couple of tutorials. So initially we are going to learn all the basics of the dot object oriented programming using dot, few some basic stuff in order to create the Android applications using dot. We need to know basic. I'm assuming that you guys may not know the dot. If you know, you guys can keep skip the dot tutorials, but if you don't know, please follow the Dart tutorials because Dart is a new programming language and it's bit complex, but you can learn it easy, guys. Because Google have created everything for you. You just need to learn it. That's it. Okay, irrespective of the programming experience, I'm assuming that you may have the programming experience, you may not have the programming experience. So I'm going to teach you everything from the scratch. I'm assuming no one have the programming experience, so I'm going to teach everything from the basic. You guys may have the programming experience. They have already created the applications using Java, iOS, Objective-C, Swift, something like that. But the guys who have the programming experience already, you may feel like something like little, you know what? All the things will be something like in similar way. You may say, okay, the type of variable declarations, the type casting, you may feel relate this type caching to the some other type casting which you may see in Java or you may see in PHP, something like that. If you have the programming experience, you can easily map the things like that. You can find a few things which you have in Java. You can find few things which you have seen in the PHP. You can find a few things which you have seen in the Objective C. But guys, if you don't have any program experience, don't worry because we are going to start everything from the scratch. The guys who have the programming experience already, you can freely skip these tutorials. And now, in order to get started with the dot, you need to open .lang.org. So this is the website where you can learn everything about the dot. So to get started, click on get started. Yeah, this is all about this. The dot editor look like this. Okay, you can do this dot programming using two ways. One is the dot pad, which is an online editor. You can code everything in this editor itself. Click here, guys. You can find something like dotpad dot lang dot org. Okay, this is the code. We are printing hello for 5 times. At the same time, we are printing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4, hello 5. It's something look great, right? Let's do everything from the scratch. I'm going to delete everything here. Okay, void main. I have nothing now here in my void main. So I will run the code. I have not able to see anything in the output console because I have not even declared anything here. Okay, now I am giving print hello dot. Don't forget to add semicolon here, guys. Hello dot. Now you can see something here. Okay, if we want to do the looping operation. Okay, guys, something went wrong. Okay, now everything is set. I'll just press for loop. Okay, the guys who don't know the programming experience, the guys who don't have the previous programming experience may not able to understand the for loop. But guys, I'm going to teach everything from scratch in next couple of tutorials. The guys who have the programming experience, Just see the magic that how we are going to do with the dot. Where I is equals to 0, I less than 5, less than 5, I plus plus, print dot lang run. Sorry guys, something went wrong here. Just give me a second. Yeah, we forgot to add the semicolon here. Yeah, dot lang. We have printed the dot lang for 5 times. Now, what I would like to do, I would like to add one more thing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something looks crazy, right? Let's add something like that. Hmm, let's add some dollar I plus 1. Okay. Okay, guys, now you just run. Sorry, guys, I have made a small mistake here. Correct it. Yeah, now you can see here. Dot lang 1, dot lang 2, dot lang 3, dot lang 4, dot lang 5. This is all about the dot. We have printed the dot language 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 using the for loop. Okay, we are going to discuss each and everything about the for loop and why we are going to use, where we are going to use, what we are going to do about with this in the next couple of tutorials. Until then, see you guys. Love you.